We use our mobile phones every day. We call, we text, we browse the internet. But a question lingers in the back of many minds. Can these devices, so vital to modern life, be harming us? The idea that phones might cause cancer is a scary thought. It's important to face this fear with facts and clear explanations. We live in a world surrounded by technology, and understanding its potential effects on our health is crucial. Let's dive into the science and explore the relationship between mobile phones and cancer. To understand the concern about phones and cancer, we need to talk about radiation. Radiation is simply energy traveling through space. Light from the sun, that's radiation. The heat from a fire, radiation too. Radiation comes in many forms, like waves or particles. The key difference between these forms is their energy level. Some radiation is powerful, some are not. Understanding these differences in energy is vital to grasp why some forms of radiation are harmless, while others can be dangerous. Radiation is often divided into two categories, ionizing and non-ionizing. Ionizing radiation carries a lot of energy. This type of radiation can knock electrons off atoms, creating ions. This process can damage DNA inside our cells, potentially leading to cancer. X-rays and gamma rays are examples of ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation, on the other hand, has much lower energy. It cannot ionize atoms or directly damage DNA. Examples include radio waves, microwaves, and the light we see. The distinction between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation is crucial in understanding the potential risks associated with mobile phone use. Section 4. Phone signals, a different kind of wave. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of phone signals and how they work. Mobile phones use radio waves to communicate. These waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation which allows your phone to send and receive information wirelessly. Radio waves fall on the low energy end of the electromagnetic spectrum. This spectrum includes all types of electromagnetic radiation, from low-energy radio waves to high-energy gamma rays. They are a form of non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation means that these waves do not carry enough energy to ionize atoms or molecules. This means they do not possess enough energy to break chemical bonds or directly damage DNA. Therefore, the radio waves from your phone are generally considered safe for everyday use. When you use your phone, it sends and receives radio waves to nearby cell towers. These towers then connect your call or data session to the broader network. The amount of radio frequency energy emitted by your phone is relatively low. This low emission is designed to minimize any potential health risks. While radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, it's essential to remember that not all radiation is created equal. Different types of radiation have different properties and effects on living organisms. Understanding the differences between these types of radiation helps us use technology safely and effectively. So the next time you use your phone, you'll know a bit more about the invisible waves making it all possible. Section 5. Searching for answers, the hunt for proof. Given the widespread use of mobile phones, scientists have conducted numerous studies to investigate any potential link to cancer. These studies span across various disciplines, including epidemiology, biology, and physics, aiming to understand the complex interactions between mobile phone radiation and human health. Some studies have shown a possible association between heavy mobile phone use and certain types of brain tumors. These findings have sparked significant debate within the scientific community as researchers strive to determine the validity and implications of these results. However, these findings are often inconsistent and have limitations. Variations in study design, sample size, and exposure assessment contribute to these inconsistencies, making it difficult to draw definitive conclusions. Many factors can influence the development of cancer, making it challenging to isolate the specific impact of mobile phone use. Genetic predisposition, environmental exposures, and lifestyle choices all play a role in cancer risk, complicating the analysis. Further research is crucial to draw definitive conclusions. Long-term studies with larger populations and more precise exposure measurements are needed to better understand the potential risks. The scientific community continues to explore this topic rigorously, striving to provide evidence-based answers. As technology evolves, so too must our understanding of its impact on health, ensuring that public safety remains a top priority. Section 6. The bottom line: What we know now. So can your mobile phone cause cancer? This question has been the subject of extensive research and debate for many years. Mobile phones emit radio frequency radiation, a type of non-ionizing radiation which has raised concerns about its potential health effects. The short answer, based on current scientific understanding, is that we don't know for sure. The scientific community remains divided, with some studies suggesting a possible link between mobile phone use and certain types of cancer, while others find no significant association. While some studies suggest a possible link, more research is needed to confirm these findings. The complexity of studying long-term health effects and the rapid evolution of mobile technology make it challenging to draw definitive conclusions. It's important to stay informed about the latest research and to follow recommendations from reputable health organizations. These organizations continuously review new evidence and update their guidelines to help the public make informed decisions. Limiting exposure to radio frequency radiation from mobile phones is always a reasonable precaution. Simple measures such as using hands-free devices or keeping the phone away from your body can reduce exposure. The scientific quest for answers continues. Researchers around the world are conducting studies to better understand the potential health impacts of mobile phone radiation. As technology evolves, so too will our understanding of its potential impact on our health. Staying updated with the latest scientific findings and adopting precautionary measures can help us navigate this evolving landscape.